Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Import Function tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to properly enter data into the import template. Once you have logged into the Campaign Finance e-filing system, you can use the import function for three sections: itemized contributions received, itemized expenditures made, and contributions made. Click File, then select Import. Selecting File Import Template will automatically download a new Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. The document contains three separate worksheets, one for each designated reporting area. In the worksheet, proceed with entering your data. If prompted, be sure to select Enable Editing before you begin. The Import Specification document notes which fields are required and provides formatting instructions. The columns must remain in this order to import correctly. For demonstration purposes, we will show how to use the import function by completing the Itemized Contributions Received section. Once you have entered information for all itemized contributions, select all your data. Make sure you do not include the header rows in your selection. Right-click and select Copy. Next, open a new blank Excel spreadsheet. In the first cell, right-click and select Paste to enter your data into the new spreadsheet. Now you are ready to save your new worksheet. It is very important to save this new worksheet in a CSV format. Your data will not import into the e-filing system if it is not saved in a CSV, delimited format. This concludes our tutorial on entering data into the import template. Stay tuned for Part 4, where we'll demonstrate how to import your data into the Campaign Finance electronic filing system.